Hi, everybody. My name is Amy Loutfi. I'm a professor in information technology, and I've been working in the field of AI and robotics now for the past 20 years. And I'd like to tell you a little bit about our journey of how we've been working with artificial intelligence. So at Örebro University, we've been driving research, education, and collaboration in AI for a number of years. Our research is placed at the Center for Applied Autonomous Sensor Systems, where we have today over 70 researchers who are looking at the fields of AI, and this includes methods within machine learning, but also other AI technologies, who look at robotics and autonomous systems, and in particular, who look at the integration of AI and robotics so that we can create the next generation of intelligent systems that can work with and for humans. When it comes to education, we've been trying in the past few years to integrate AI in a meaningful way in several different types of education programs. We have, for example, our engineering educations, but we also have been looking at other types of educations where we feel AI is an important aspect in the education. For example, we've just recently implemented a revision of our law program where now they have an opportunity to take part in the developments of both AI and digitalization. Collaboration is essential for us at the university, and one aspect in terms of education and collaboration has been running a number of competence development initiatives. We offer courses for free to the industry as we see that information about AI is so essential to come out to all different types of industries. And we now have a specialized program called Smarter, where industry partners can come to the university, can share their different AI challenges with us, and together we try and find new solutions to these problems, but also increase their level of awareness and competences about AI. We find that by working with industry in terms of education, we also lift new research problems that feed into the research environment. In terms of collaboration, we also see that there is a need not only to provide competences in AI, but to ensure that the need and demand of AI is also happening and occurring in an equal pace. And so for this reason, we've been working with our national partners on the implementation of AI. And in particular, what we do is we work with companies, but also the public sector, to see how they can take the knowledge that is being produced in academic environments and really transform that into something that can be implemented into concrete solutions. There are a lot of different aspects that need to be looked at when it comes to the implementation of AI. It's not just the technical ones, but also legal aspects and aspects about IT infrastructures that are important to see. Although we are in these pandemic times, we are working our best to nevertheless create good meeting places where researchers, industry, students, and the public sector can interact and discuss various challenges about AI. We have our robot lab, which is a very useful tool for us to explore pilot projects within the area of AI. We also have a newly built innovation arena where we will hopefully have a chance to meet face-to-face in order to discuss our challenges. Our aim and our vision is to create a sustainable ecosystem around AI. When I say sustainability, I mean that all the different pieces of the university need to feed into each other. We see that the research feeds into education, the education feeds out into industry and collaboration, and these awaken new research questions which feed back into the research environments here at the university. Our objective and our aim also is not to work in isolation, but really to work together with our different international partners and national partners. In this way, we hope that AI can be an instrumental tool in confronting some of the biggest challenges that we have before us, and that we can show how AI can really be used for the good and the betterment of society.